Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple's iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a yearly refresh. If recent leaks hold true, the 2026 Pro model may finally fix several long-standing flaws and introduce features fans have been waiting years for. Here are the top 5 iPhone 18 Pro Max new upgrades that could change everything. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 5. Dynamic Island 2.0. Smaller, cleaner, closer to full-screen dreams. Rumors suggest the iPhone 18 Pro will go even further. Apple may hide some Face ID components under the display, leaving only the selfie camera in a small central punch hole. Sensors could be moved to the left side, improving symmetry and content viewing. Number 4. Variable aperture lens. True control for depth and lighting. With the iPhone 18 Pro, Apple may add a variable aperture to the main camera. This would allow mechanical control over how much light enters the lens, and give users real optical depth of field adjustment. The benefit is even greater for video. Users could match shutter speeds to frame rates, without overexposing bright scenes, a challenge smartphones still struggle with. Number 3. A more refined premium design. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to address this, with better material finishes that unify the look and feel of the back glass and frame, creating a more seamless, high-end aesthetic. Apple is also testing new color options such as purple, wine red, and brown, offering more subdued, elegant alternatives for those who found the previous generation's hues too loud. A true black or slate gray model is also widely anticipated, as blue was last year's darkest tone. Number 2. A20 Pro chip on 2 nanometers, small, powerful and more efficient. For frequent upgraders, chip performance gains can sometimes feel subtle, but the A20 Pro chip could be different. Built on a 2 nanometer process instead of 3 nanometers, it may offer a major leap in transistor density, translating to better speed and lower power use. Longer battery life, smoother AI experiences, and even more headroom for future iOS features are all on the table. Apple may also debut its own C2 modem in the 18 Pro. Number 1. Camera Control 2.0. Simpler, smarter, finally useful. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro will debut with a redesigned Camera Control 2.0. Gone is the touch layer, replaced by a pressure-sensitive button. If done right, it could enable soft press capture without shaking the phone, something photographers have long desired. In that case, the original button won't be missed. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.